Imagine a world where the most advanced software solutions are not locked behind hefty price tags or complex installations, but accessible via the click of a button. Envision an era where democratized innovation, where businesses of all sizes are empowered to compete, grow, and thrive. Welcome to the revolution of software as a service, SaaS. And today we're going to be deep diving into the world of SaaS. Stay tuned. Welcome to TechSips with Nadina, where bold ideas brew and digital strategies simmer to perfection. I'm your chief strategy architect, here to guide you through the caffeine-charged world of CRM, IT, and yes, what I playfully call digit transformation. Think of it as a bite-sized tech wisdom, like the perfect espresso shot to kickstart your digital journey. As a business owner, you know the challenges of getting off the ground, budget constraints, limited IT resources, the constant race to keep up with ever-evolving technology. Enter SaaS, the game-changing solution that has flipped the script on conventional software delivery models, offering enterprise-level tools at a fraction of a traditional price and leveling the playing field for businesses of all sizes. Think about it this way. A small bakery launching an online store via Shopify. No need for a full-blown team, or let's face it, they don't have the hefty IT budget. With a simple monthly subscription, Shopify equips them with all the tools to manage inventory, process payments, and connect with the customers online. That easy, that simple, and lets the bakery focus on what they do well, baked goods. It begs to ponder, if you've ever felt held back by technology, take a moment to consider the possibilities of SaaS. What could you unlock? What dreams could you pursue if the right tools were suddenly within reach? Now, let's talk about the financial side of the equation. Traditional investing in software was a major undertaking, requiring significant upfront capital and ongoing maintenance costs. SaaS has now changed the game. Instead of a single hefty payment, businesses pay a manageable subscription fee, often monthly or annually. Let's take into consideration growing sales teams. And my favorite, let's talk about CRMs. So imagine you're switching from an on-prem CRM solution and you're switching to the latest and greatest SaaS solution like Salesforce. You've gained flexibility. You can scale your licenses as needed. You pay only for what you actually use. The financial agility empowers your business to allocate the right resources strategically and respond nimbly to market changes. So you ask yourself the question, how could your business benefit from predictable and flexibility that SaaS offers? Well, it frees up capital, opens doors to new growth and opportunities. Now, we're standing at the cusp of customer engagement revolutionized in SaaS, where AI is going to be an active participant. From chatbots offering 24/7 support to personalized recommendations guiding your every move, AI is already enhancing how we interact with our software. It's no secret that with every subscription service, with every SaaS model being offered, AI is going to be embedded right there to help you so that you can do what you need to do, which is focus on the customer. Imagine an experience where your software doesn't just execute tasks, but truly understands your needs and goals. AI in SaaS is making that a reality, transforming software from a mere tool to really an empathetic partner in your journey towards success. However, the human element remains indispensable. The future of SaaS customer engagement hinges on striking a delicate balance between AI and the warmth of human interaction. Picture human agents armed with AI insights, offering personalized support and nurturing long-lasting relationships with the customer. The SaaS experience of tomorrow is not just about boosting efficiency and productivity, it's about forging genuine connections, anticipating needs, empowering users to reach their full potential. It's a future where technology and humanity works together hand in hand to create unparalleled customer experiences. The SaaS revolution is already here, and it's changing the game for businesses of all sizes. From financial agility to democratized innovation and a new era of customer engagement. SaaS is the engine driving success in the digital age. So embrace the power of cloud, put your customers first, and get ready for the future where technology empowers you to achieve more than you've ever thought possible. Join me next time as we dive into Platform as a Service, PaaS. It's another transformative force in the subscription economy. So, raise your mug to the future. Let's clink virtual teacups and savor the sweet digital success. Subscribe to TechSips with Nadina, and together we'll craft your future one strategic blend at a time.